Hello student, today I am going to teach you respiratory system. As you know that all living things need air to breathe, and the process of breathing is called respiration, and this process of respiration is controlled by a system called respiratory system. The main function of the respiratory system is to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. The respiratory system has three main organs: nose, windpipe and lungs. Let us learn about all the organs associated with the respiratory system and their functions. Means, what do you mean by respiratory system? A system which controls the process of respiration. And what is respiration? Respiration is the process of breathing. Here you can see the diagram of respiratory system and the organs associated with this system: nose, mouth, windpipe and lungs. Now we will read about nose. The organ through which we breathe air is the nose. The process of breathing in air to absorb oxygen is called inhalation, and the process of breathing out air to give out carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation together complete the process of respiration. Means, what do you mean by inhalation and exhalation? Inhalation, when we breathe in, this is called inhalation, and when we breathe out, this is called exhalation. And these two processes completed the process of respiration. The opening in the nose are called nostrils. There are fine hair in our nose which do not allow the dust particles and germs to enter the respiratory system and make the air clean and safe to breathe. If we breathe impure air, we become ill. Next one is windpipe. As I have already told you that the windpipe is also known as trachea. The air we breathe through our nose passes through a passage to reach the lungs, and this passage is known as windpipe or trachea. This trachea or windpipe divides into two tubes which enter the lungs. Next is lungs. Lungs are sponge-like organs located inside the chest cavity. They are present in a pair. What do you mean by pair? Means two in numbers, one on each side of the cavity. Means right side and left side. The right lungs is slightly bigger in size than the left lungs.